All right, well, we're here at another job we've just started. We're off of Ramblewood in the northern part of the city. So we're gonna go in here and take a look. We already got our roll off on the site. Guys have already filled it up nice. This one particular job, fortunately for us, no asbestos in this one. This house was built in the 80s, so it's about a little bit better chance of not having asbestos. I'm gonna get the key in here and we'll go inside. So we did have this ceiling, same type of thing, popcorn on the ceiling. The homeowner wanted to get rid of it, and we had it tested, came back clear, no asbestos. So that's good for us. It gives us a few more options on what we can do when it comes to, on this particular house, in that case, we're going to scrape the ceiling as opposed to encapsulate it. So here we go, pretty much a whole house remodel. Everything in here is going to get, we got all new flooring going on this level, LVP. Again, hit back to our Facebook page to take a look at this. We had a wall that blocked off the kitchen from where I was standing, living room, took all that down. Going to rework some electrical in there. And also up there, we got some pendant lights. Meeting with the homeowner later today to discuss location of that. Putting in some ceiling beams through here. New cabinets, new counters. Entire completely new paint job. All new flooring on the upstairs, all new base, doors, trim. Upstairs here, it's pretty much all new carpet going up here. And one thing that we kind of did have a little bit of a surprise for is this right here. We're going to do a pocket door from this bedroom, what we're calling the master bedroom, into the bathroom. Now, this was discovered after the fact. This is our vent for the water heater down on the basement level. And as you can see, it is touching. And by code, we are required to have 2-inch clearance on this pipe all the way around. So I'm gonna have to do rework that. We're working on a solution to get this fixed. A little bit of a fire hazard the way it's constructed now. So gonna have to get that fixed. That's gonna be a change order. We do have contingency built into our projects, but that's a little bit more than what contingency is gonna cover. And then we're walking down here. All new flooring down here. And the same thing will be in removing the popcorn on this ceiling, getting all this cleaned up, putting in a new mantle. We've got some new railing going over here, going with a metal wood railing combination. Yep. We got our air scrubber on this job as well, just help keep the dust down. We've already got the homeowner provided us the filters. We're all ready to go there. Like I said, just changing those out regularly, especially during construction, kicks up a lot of dust. So we'll make sure we protect the furnace. A little bit of remodeling here. We got a new vanity going in this room and new flooring. So yeah, that's the things on Ramblewood. We're going to be relocating the thermostat, which is on the wall here. A few things that we ran into. This floor had rotted out. Not sure exactly why that is, but some repairs we're going to have to make there. And so just some things that, yeah, if you're going to be rebuilding this wall, it's going to be nice. A few items here, and then completely interior paint, and then also a complete exterior repaint. So whole house remodel, get this house updated, and it's going to be very nice. Until next time, this is Austin with AB Construction.